Thank you everyone for watching my unboxing video of one of LG's newest 32-inch gaming monitors, the 32GQ750. Before I begin, I'd like to thank the Insiders Program and LG for this opportunity. This 32-inch monitor has a 144 Hz refresh rate, and the screen size is measured to 31.5 inches, and the monitor is equipped with AMD FreeSync technology. As I unbox the item, the following accessories are included: one power adapter, one DisplayPort cable, monitor, boomerang shaped stand, and an adjustable height arm that attaches to the boomerang shaped base. The monitor is also BESA compatible for other mounting options as well. This monitor is a toolless assembly, so no tools required to assemble the monitor. Just a turnkey shaped screw underneath the base, and just snaps right into the back of the monitor. If there's a need to remove the arm from the monitor, there's a latch release right under where the arm was attached. The monitor is equipped with 2 HDMI ports, a display port, auto auxiliary, and a power. The monitor can be placed in portrait or landscape depending on the application you wish to use it for. In landscape, you can adjust the monitor height up and down to your liking. Well, this wraps up my unboxing of LG's latest 32-inch 4K monitor. Thank you.